Donovan, please move. Cassie, pay attention. Paula is nudging her and swinging her. I mean, but she's making her swing.
Somebody farted. Get Paula.
We gotta send this video to somebody. You're being too rough, Boo. Get. Paula.
Get.
Shh.
I want to see a video.
Oh my God. Wow.
This is gonna make her dizzy.
Can you believe this?
Yeah? It's cinnamon, dude. Cinnamon chill.
Wow.
You see, she's like about to fall asleep.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I like your eyes. Oh. Mommy, did her push, Mom?
No. Don't, Donovan.
She's not even going to bed.
Wow.
Mommy, did her push.
No. Wait, watch Jay come in the door.
Jay, look, Jay.
Jay, look at.
Don't put Sachi in that fucking.
We're not. Look at her.
I know she don't. Don't put my dog in there.
She can't fit in there.
Isn't this? Where do you see this at? He just walks in like this is all normal. She's falling asleep. Look at her.
She's just chilling though. She's too big.
That is so adorable. She's literally going to sleep.
She's ready.
You get a fat you dog, dude. Just chilling. She fucking hated and she'd like squish her face together. She's like,